All right, here we are doing another gazebo this weekend. This is a steel gazebo called the Wyndham 10 by 12. This thing has about 300 nuts and bolts or more. So far, right now we're at about hour 5.5, 6. The instructions were really poor, but we're finally getting some progress here. There was one defective part. This is a Walmart purchase here. There was one defective part. It might take 5 to 10 business days for the part to come in. Here's the rest of the parts that have to be still assembled onto this unit. And there's still some mosquito screening and netting, roof panels. It's got a metal roof, which is leaning up against the garage here currently. I believe this unit retails for about $1,500. I believe they got it on sale just under $1,000 or so. And we should be tackling the roof hopefully within the next hour. Just got the last piece of that roof structure in there. Now I got to fill these pieces in on this side, fill in these sides, and then we can start putting some roof panels up there. And this here assembly here is PC there. The grommet came out. There it is laying right there. Popped out. It's supposed to be a pressed in grommet. And that just popped out when we were screwing it together. So it has a vent canopy. So we're going to have to slip that up when that piece comes back in. We'll have to erect it, slide it up through there, and mount it into position at that point in time. But hopefully I can get out of here in the next few hours with this roof assembled on this unit. And if you're interested in having a gazebo erected in your yard, give us a call. DSM Contractors. And have a good day.